Right, so we are onto the split box on the 23rd of May 2025. Last time we saw an emerged queen in one side and cap cells on the other, so I'd like to think that they are going to emerge today. Weather is pretty rubbish still. Right, let's have a look. So this was the side where the queen had not emerged, so not very much traffic. This was the sign where the queen had emerged and the other cells have been torn down. So hopefully when we get in it we should be able to see where we stand with the status. If they are both emerged, hopefully they will get mated shortly. We've got some plans about moving them out to the Missenden apiary. Right, let's start with colony number one. The colony that's on the right, my right. So a full box of frames. There's bees on that frame, but just a couple, they're just kind of mingling. That works for me. Next frame. More so bees on. There weren't a great quantity of bees in here, there were quite a lot, but not a great quantity. What have we got? Lots of bees. So they're bringing in stores, they're packing stores in here. Can't see. There is an egg. This is not an egg. I think it might not be, I can't really see too well. Weather is not helping me. Play cup, obviously empty. That's not required. I don't know what this was down here. A mess of wax there. Again, play cup. Definitely not required. They are old. The other side. In the middle. Okay, so this is just all old brood that has emerged from when I split them. I can't remember whether our queen cell is on the inside or the outside frame. Check the next one. Step up and down. Okay, this side. So it's just a play cup. Just dead. Remember where the queen cell was then. Should have marked frame. Didn't mark frame. Error. And it looks okay at the minute. They've got pollen, they've got stores. Just frustrated I can't find a queen cell that has potentially emerged. Oh, in fact, actually, that looks like something's emerged there. It's been chewed through. Maybe that was our queen cell hanging there in the middle. What are you guys all doing in the middle? You've got stores on the other side. Oh, in fact, there she is. Virgin Queen, just there. She's a baby one. See her? Right in the middle there. She's feeding herself. There. Perfect. Okay, so Virgin Queen seen. Take her a few days to get those flight muscles built up, and she can get out and about and get mated. Right, let's flip over to the other side. This colony was a little bit stronger than the other one. But yeah, so they certainly started drawing out the next frame of comb as well. Wow, and they've stacked it as well with stores. Oh, in fact, there is Queenie. Jesus, she caught my eye straight away. There. I'm not going to mark her or anything yet. But I wonder whether she's mated now. She's looking a bit fatter. And there are eggs, I think. Yeah, there are eggs through this section here. So I'm going with yes, definitely mated. There she is, just at the top. Come on, girlie. Perfect. I'm not going to look through the rest because we found her, which is the main thing. Right, so we have a virgin queen on this side and we have a mated queen on this side. All is well. So that wraps up this colony. Put the lid back on. Right, so just a reminder, this is the unmated side. Jesus, the smoke. Unmated side, and we have the mated side over here. All is good. So thank you for watching. Please comment, give us a like, share it, stick it on Facebook, whatever you want, and I'll move on to the next colony. Thank you.